In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-dos that can't be edited in Basecamp. Let's get started by signing in. Open your browser and head to the Basecamp login page. Enter your email address and click Next. On the next screen, type your password and log in. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that as usual and you'll land on your Basecamp home. Once you're in, open the project where you want tighter control over to-dos. Here's an important note up front. Basecamp doesn't let you create a to-do list that's permanently uneditable. Project owners and creators can always edit what they made, but you can limit who has the ability to change things by managing people and visibility. That's the key to achieving the can't be edited outcome for everyone except a small group of trusted admins. First, manage who's actually in the project. Inside your project, look for the people settings and choose Setup People. Pick a person you want to restrict. Use the drop-down to set whether they're fully in the project or just following. People who are just following can see updates without having the same level of access as core project members. This is a practical way to reduce who can edit to-dos while still keeping stakeholders in the loop. As a tip, keep only the essential editors as full project members and set everyone else to follow, especially if they don't need to change tasks. Next, let's fine-tune visibility on actual to-do lists and tasks. Head back to your project's main screen and open to-dos. Choose the specific list or task you're concerned about. At the top of that page, you'll see a visibility control with a padlock icon and a change link. Click Change to open the visibility options. Here you can decide whether clients can see this item or if it's limited to teammates only. If your goal is to prevent edits from clients or external collaborators, set visibility to teammates only. That way, clients can't access the item at all, which also means they can't edit it. A quick best practice: combine both approaches. Keep edit-capable access limited to a small group through the people settings, and lock down sensitive lists or tasks using visibility controls. This creates a practical safeguard against unwanted edits, even though Basecamp doesn't support truly uneditable to-dos. And that's it. By adjusting who's in the project and tightening visibility on lists and tasks, you'll effectively keep your to-dos from being edited by the wrong people while maintaining a smooth workflow.